Welcome everyone to our Live Good Affiliate Marketing presentation. Now, if you're someone who are looking for an extra income or side hustle, whether it be if you are unemployed, you're an OFW, or even if you're a student right now, or kung ikaw man po ay tambay, ayan, na gusto mong kumita no, habang tumatambay ka, or if you're a senior and gusto mo kahit paano sa mga bakanting oras mo, nagsi-cellphone ka, kumikita ka pa rin. Well, this presentation is definitely for you. Okay, I want you to tune in and don't tune out. Kasi mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba ma-maximize ang paggamit ng cellphone or ng gadget mo, any gadget, and of course using also your internet, okay, para kumita and syempre hindi lang kumita in peso but in US dollar. Ayan. So sino ang gusto ng ganun? Okay, so if you want that, then tune in and patapusin mo itong presentation na to because I'm sure pag natapos mo to, meron kang mga makukuhang ideas kung paano ba to ma-maximize. Yan. So, ngayon, before tayo mag-proceed, pakilala muna ko sa inyo. Yan, ng mabilis lang. Yan. So again, welcome everyone. I'm Coach Martel Dagasta. So I'm one of the Live Good Pioneers. So nasa pioneering stage pa lang po tayo. Okay, our company, and I'm also a professional network marketer. So I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. So I've started in the industry at a very young age, no? And hindi po ito yung first company ko. Okay, I've been in several companies. And, nakita ko po talaga na sobrang kakaiba po ang meron tayo dito and yung ise-share ko po sa inyo ngayon. Okay, so mamaya, ise-share po natin yan kaya, okay, kailangan focus po tayo. And I'm also one of the speakers bureau of our team sa DMW and full-time po tayo. Ayan, ito na po yung naging bread and butter po natin. And I'm also the founder of my team, Zeal Empire. Ayan. And of course, currently a platinum rank member. But this presentation is not all about me, but rather it's all about you, your goals, your dreams. Kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain this year through the help of this opportunity. Okay, again, I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So before we proceed, meron muna tayong short disclaimer to set the right expectation. Ano ba yung expect natin dito? So, this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. No? So, it does not constitute legal, financial, or even investment advice. Wala tayong binibigay ng mga kahit anong advices dito. So, this is for educational purpose only about our company and opportunity that we have. And lahat po ng mga earnings, results na ipapakita po natin later on are illustrative only and should not be considered typical. Kasi tandaan po natin, in any kind of businesses, ang success po natin ay madidetermine by our own efforts and the time na i-invest po natin. So, fully clear po tayo dyan. And before tayo mag-proceed, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video, around 7 minutes, no? Kumbaga ito po yung bird's eye view on who and what this company is. No? And in the past 3 years, ano ba yung mga na-achieve na ng company? Ayan. So, bagong-bago lang po ito. Kaya, let's focus on this one and enjoy natin ang panonood. Okay? And with that, let's watch first this short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched just a few short years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already having joined LiveGood in just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world are generating extra income from home. We've paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has LiveGood become so successful the past few years while so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business? One word: timing. recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked 5 or 10 years ago isn't working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. They're getting smarter. They're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at Live Good. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert Lisa Goodkin and leading formulator Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars above cost. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligrams CBD for as much as $80. We have the highest quality, premium, USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? Well, on top of saving a ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and Powerline-driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the Powerline works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the Powerline and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enrolled them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of Live Good, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry, but that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide. And Live Good is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see Live Good, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about Live Good, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join Live Good. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to Live Good. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with Live Good. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
Alright, see you all at the top. So at least right now, you have a glimpse of idea on who and what this company is. So, syempre sa ating presentation, mas i-explain ko lang further yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya tune in and don't tune out. So, welcome again everyone to this amazing company called Live Good. So, Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, as of now, nasa 3 years mahigit na po tayo. Yes, and Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So ngayon, I know actually there are tons of reasons why Live Good, but for now, bigyan ko lang kayo ng at least 6 reasons why. So number one, we have these amazing products. When we say amazing products, we mean it. When it comes to quality, potency, and transparency, yes, no, transparent po tayo and organic at the same time, no? And number two, we have incredible prices. Yes, I know, maraming mga magandang products out there and some of it siguro na-try mo na, no? Kaso nga lang mahal. Kaya ang hirap i-maintain. That's the challenge, no? Gusto natin maging healthy, kaso nga lang ang mahal, no? Lalo sa panahon natin ngayon. Okay? But dito po, no, being healthy, okay, is not expensive anymore because you get amazing products na incredible prices pa. And actually, incredible prices is equal. Ngayon, sabihin ko lang sa inyo no, in advance. Dito, we have wholesale or factory price products. Yes. No? So, mamaya explain natin yan. So, paano nangyari na factory or wholesale yung prices natin dito. Ayan. So, explain natin later on. And 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. So dito hindi ka po pipilitin ng company na bumili ng products every month. You buy here whenever and whatever you want. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. So what does it mean? So within 90 days, pag di mo nagustuhan yung products or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, actually pwede mong isauli yung lalagay ng products. And no questions asked, ibabalik po sa inyo yung pera nyo. Yes, ganun po tayo ganun po tayo ka confident, no, sa product natin. And number 6, number 1 business to join. So, let me share to you yung naging track record na ng company. Bakit naging number 1 din tayo na, especially sa panahon natin ngayon na simulan. Okay? So, unang-una na dito, yan, na-rank lang naman po tayo ng triple A plus opportunity since 2024 sa Business for Home. So, sa mga wala pong idea, ang Business for Home po ay parang Forbes magazine po yan ng direct selling industry. Yes, nandun po lahat ng mga records, ng lahat ng companies. Okay? Ayan, tayo po ay na-rank as triple A plus. Kumbaga sa school pa with highest honor. O, di ba? And sa DSN naman na feature tayo, no? And just 13 months time. Yes, record breaking talaga. 13 months time na hit po natin ng 1 million members worldwide. Grabe, di ba? And ito pa, okay, in just a matter of 3 years, nakapag-payout lang naman tayo ng 140 million plus in US dollar. Alam niyo po ba na dream sales yan ng company, no? Especially yung mga 3, 4, or even 5 years and above na companies. Sa atin, payout lang. Pinamigay po sa mga affiliates, no? Ganun po tayo ka-generous, no? Because of how the company structured our compensation plan. And of course, for now, nasa 2.2M na po tayo mahigit, no? Kaya grabe, and we're just getting started, no? We haven't scratched the surface yet. Kaya ang magandang simulan 'to and magandang sabayan, okay? Lalo na ngayon. Okay? Yan po yung ating track record. So, kung bakit, of course, ganun yung nangyari, it is because of our corporate team. Ayan. So, sa mga bago po, no, before joining a company, have first to look at tinatawag nating foundation. Which is tinatawag nating 3Ps. Ayan. Ano yung 3Ps yan? Company profile, company product, and pay plan. So, unang-una na dito, ang ating profile, ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Alam niyo po ba, he has over 20 plus years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in this industry. So, ang dami niya pong napatakbo negosyo and 20 plus na po siya mahigit sa pagninegosyo. So, ibig sabihin, expert na po siya and alam niya po yung ginagawa niya. Veterano. He's also transparent and an IT guy as well. Okay? Ayan. So, hindi po masasabotahe yung ano po natin, yung system po natin. Kasi I've experienced in my previous company na nasabotahe po yung may-ari dahil po sa IT, 'di ba? Yung mahirap, no, malapit pang mabankrupt. Pero ito, we're confident, no, that we are set for long term because of the vision of the company, of course, of the heart, no, yung puso talaga niyang tumulong, and of course his skill, 'di ba? Importante po talaga yung skill. So, ayun po, transparent siya, maririnig natin siya every week, no, na magsasalita, bibigay po ng update. And masabi ko ang with the concept that he had created, no, itong kumpanyang ito, no, and talagang masabi ko para siyang Elon Musk of direct selling, no, kasi ang genius po talaga, and it makes sense, no, the business makes sense. And of course, kasama niya rin po dito ang ating Director of Field Development, si Noder Kazan. He has over 30 plus naman na years of experience in this kind of field. So, ang dami niya rin pong natulungan. In fact, is into helping talaga mga affiliates natin in the company. No? So, sila pa lang, they have 50 plus na experience. No? So, kung kukumbine mo, titingnan mo, talagang expert, veteran, and ano tayo, panatag tayo, no, na ang nag-guide sa atin ay magagaling and subok na. Okay? So we are set po talaga for long term. And with the product side naman, we have our Director of Product Development, si Ryan Goodkin, and Director of Product Education, si Lisa Goodkin. So mag-partner po yan sila. Ayan. And syempre, they have seen everything kasi may background po sila sa health and wellness, even sa pharmacy. And ano din, no? Kumbaga maraming areas na po, no? And sila din mismo, syempre, they apply it to themselves kung ano man yung tinuturo nila. Okay? They make sure po na once they create products, they make sure na quality, organic, no? Na walang nahalo na kung ano-ano. Kasi sila mismo, ginagamit nila yung products and their family as well. Ayan. Kaya we're confident, no, because of their background and their expertise in the health and wellness side, no, na they continue, no? They continue to create quality, organic, and products talaga na makakatulong sa marami. Okay? Ayan po. And ano ba yung goal natin? Ito, napakasimple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So, ang maganda rin po sa mga products natin kasi syempre made in the US. Ayan. But take note, hindi po lahat ng US made ay maganda, no? So, kailangan may mga patunay. O tayo, syempre meron. Meron tayong certifications from the GMP and USDA. And hindi tayo yung tatapos dyan. Meron tayong mga lab test. Third-party lab testing. No? Which is, pinost din po natin yan publicly sa ating website. And para makita natin kung pure and potent ba yung mga products po natin. Di ba? So, you can just go to our website, www.livegood.com. Yan. So, nasa pinakababa, okay, certificates of analysis. Nandun po lahat. Okay? And of course, ating mga products po, ayan. Um, ito pong ating CBD gummies. Ayan, it supports relaxation and pampakalma din, recovery and comfort, organic, syempre, restful sleep, and many more. So marami din pong benefits yan. Okay? But for now, hindi po ito available sa Pilipinas, no? Ayan, kasi nga, syempre, it's CBD. Ayan, it's cannabis. So, ayan, medyo, ano pa yan, pinagdedebatehan pa yan, okay, ng ating government may approve ba yan or hindi. But of course, approve yan in the USA. Okay? And of course, itong ating NAD plus dissolving strip. So, ang daming benefits, especially if you are aging na. Siyempre, nakakalimot na rin. O, di ba? So, mga nito kasi it supports cellular energy, brain health, DNA repair, metabolism, healthy aging, etc. So, pwede nyo i-search yan. Ako, ang daming mga studies. Even sa PubMed, no? Ang dami. Okay? And of course, parasite cleanse. Ayan. So, siyempre, di po natin alam, no, na may parasite pala tayo kasi may tayo kumain ng mga sushi, 'di ba? Or lumalabas tayo nakapaa, no? Ayan, or anything, no? Even sa pagkain, tubig natin, no? Baka mamaya contaminated pala. So, mga nito kasi lahat ng cycle, no, ng parasite, whether it be kung parasite na or egg pa lang, no? Talagang i-eliminate talaga niya. No? Yan, support parasite elimination, restore microbial balance, digestion and bile flow, and boost energy and well-being. Yan. So, yan, available na po yan. So, ito po yung pinaka-latest natin na product. Okay? And of course, we are legit company, okay, registered in Florida, USA. And ito po ang ating mga products, no? Ayan. So, mga products po natin ay, as I've said, okay, may mga certifications po, no? Hindi ko na isa-isa yan kasi ang dami. Kaya na, yan, nagpapatunay lang na quality, organic, and wala pong nahalo na kung ano-ano yung mga products natin. Ayan, okay? And of course, no? You have wellness for all, no? So, wala kasi tayong one size fits all, no? Hindi po ang pag-take po ng supplement ay hindi po one size fits all na pag tinake mo lahat ng ano mo, 'di ba? Gaganda ka tapos alam mo 'yun, um mawawala yung mga fats mo, gano'n. So, siyempre iba-iba yung pangangailangan natin. Kaya our company continues to create products tailored for specific needs like men's health, nutrition, women's health. Siyempre magkaiba yan, 'di ba? Lalo na skincare, body cleansing, etc. Ayan, okay? And paano tayo mag-order? You can order si consumer or member. Okay? And pag consumer ka, syempre low price, lalo pag nag-member. Mas lower yung prices na mabibili mo sa products natin. Okay? And comparison naman po natin sa ating mga products, no? So, quality, check na tayo, no? So, tapos na tayo sa profile, sa product naman. So, quality check, no? Wala tayong question. How about the price? Kasi, maraming mga magandang products. What makes us stand, no, sa ibang mga products out there? O sample lang natin itong Super Greens. Alam niyo po ba sa ibang company, no? Even dito sa Pilipinas no, kung i-compare mo yung greens kasi maraming barley lang, 'di ba? 350 grams kasi 350 grams po yung sa atin eh. 350 grams, good for 30 days sa atin, no? Yung serving po natin. Ano niyo po ba? Sa ibang company, binebenta po yan nila around 3,600 up to 6,000 mahigit. Yes, ganun po ka expensive. 'Di ba? So, gusto mo maging healthy pero since mahal, 'di ba? So, hindi mo ma-maintain, 'di ba? So, nakatulong nga pero short term lang. Pero ito grabe, magkano po sa atin? O, sama mo na shipping fee, around 2,000 lang approximately. Depende sa currency exchange. Grabe, 'di ba? Ganun ka-affordable, guys, no? Ayan, itong essential oil, $1 billion 'to sa ibang company. Sa US, sa US 'to. Magkano nila binebenta? 8,000 to 13,000 pesos. Sa atin magkano lang? Sama mo na shipping, around 3,000 pesos lang. Approximately 3,000 pesos. Itong black seed oil, naku, ang daming benefits niyan. If you try to research, lalo na yung peer-reviewed sa PubMed, naku, ang dami guys. Okay, so, ano yan, tawag nga dyan is remedy for everything but death. Kasi sobrang dami dahil sa compound niya, yung thymoquinone. 'Di ba? Sa atin potent kasi sa iba 1%, 2% lang sa atin. Alam niyo sa ano natin sa testing natin sa batch, sinabi natin 5%, pero it exceeded doon sa ating testing sa certificates of analysis. Magkano? 7% actually. Ayan. Pero syempre, dahil nga, para hindi tayo hype, no? Ayan, 5% yung nilagay ng company natin. Pero more than that pa pala. Sa iba, binibenta around up to $50 sa atin, magkano lang? Approximately 1,500, mga ganun. Grabe, di ba? Itong collagen, ako, ang daming benefits niyan. Hair, skin, nails, no? Ayan. And of course, sa joints, okay? Ang dami. And sa iba, binibenta around 70 to 80 USD. Sa atin, magkano lang? Ganun din. Sa essential oils, around 3,000 mahigit. Okay? Kasama shipping. 'Di ba? So, check na yung natin, yung quality ng product, the pricing, no? And I know tumatakbo sa isip mo ngayon. Hindi ba malulugi ang company? Bakit napaka-mura? Yes, when I heard this one, no, before, no, when I was starting, sabi ko, hindi ba malulugi yung company? Paano nangyari yun? Actually, i-share ko rin mamaya, it is because of the business model. Yes, so pwede pala, no? Hindi na pala, siyempre inisip natin na pagka dapat magandang products, quality, mahal. No, not anymore with Live Good. Not anymore with Live Good. Kasi here, we can buy products, highest quality at lowest price possible. Wholesale price. Ayan. And ito share ko rin sa inyo, isa sa mga na-appreciate ko rin sa business na to. Because we are available in 200 plus countries and territories. Yes, ibig sabihin na hindi mo lang magagawa sa US or here in the Philippines, kundi global. Since day one, guys. And I was, mind blown kasi most of the companies, especially dito sa Pilipinas, they open countries, no? One country at a time. One country at a time. Kasi ang daming kinukuha, mga permits, mga licenses. Sa atin po, we can do it because the business model na meron nga po tayo. Na para po siyang Amazon. Yes. So, ibig sabihin nun, within these countries na nakikita nyo po sa screen nyo right now, we can do the business. We can get the products. Yes, pag nag-order ka ng products, matatanggap po natin. And at the same time, pag kumita ka dito, because we have an affiliate program, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa first part ng presentation natin, we have an affiliate program na matatanggap mo yung commissions nyo anywhere around the world. Kahit ibangko mo pa. Yes, ganun kaganda. Kaya, syempre, I'm excited to share this because I know this could really help a lot of people, especially mga Filipinos, no? Sa panahon natin ngayon, tumataas ang mga bilihin, no? Kaya mas maganda rin magkaroon ng extra income. Di ba? So, ito po yung some of our partners worldwide. We have the Uzbekistan, in Russia, syempre, dito sa Pilipinas, Indonesia, Africa, India, Sweden, Bangladesh, of course, in the US, and in Vietnam and many more. Okay? Hindi ko na po maisa-isa. Basta in 200 plus countries and territories. 'Di ba? So, what makes us different, no, sa iba? Okay? Actually, ito talaga yung business model natin. Yes, kung bakit din naging possible, highest quality at lowest price ng mga products dahil po dito. Ano ito? Business model natin, subscription. I know, okay, marami sa inyo ay medyo aware na or baka meron na, hindi pa masyadong aware pero meron na pala. Okay? Yeah. So, ano ba itong subscription? It is a business model where people pay regularly, either monthly or yearly to access product services or even benefits. Ayan. So, popular club membership po natin, example dito, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, and Rocket Car Wash. So, ano po yung common sa kanila? No, anong common? People pay regularly, either monthly or yearly para ma-enjoy yung mga benefits na in-offer. Ano yun? Free shipping, product discounts, or unlimited car wash, or unlimited movies. Okay? Ngayon, may naalala ka ba? Nagbabayad ka every month. Okay? Na nakuha mo yung benefits. Okay? Nakuha mo yung benefits. To sample na lang, nagbabayad ka ng kuryente, tubig, nagpapaload ka, or even naghuhulog ka ng SSS mo, GSIS, para of course, benefits, no? Pag pension mo, once you retire. Okay, so ngayon, mas pag-usapan natin. Let's talk more about this subscription industry. Yan. So, itong si Live Good po, actually, mas malapit po siya sa SNR Landers and Costco. Yung ating, ating concept ng negosyo po natin. But let's dive deep more about this one. So, alam niyo po ba that Netflix, they have around 303 million subscribers and 45.2 billion revenue last year and 10.43 billion net profit. So, right now, na-imagine mo na kung gaano kayaman ang may-ari ng Netflix. Hmm. Itong Costco, 145 million members, 5.3 billion revenue sa membership fees alone. Grabe 'no, gano'n na pala, bilyon-bilyon na ang kinikita ng mga kumpanyang ito, wherein hindi pa 'to nama-maximize ng maraming tao, maraming companies out there, itong business model na 'to. Okay, though these companies offer amazing products and services, they don't have what LiveGood has. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Yes, memberships that pay. So, ngayon, let's try to compare LiveGood versus other companies. So, syempre, other companies, they have great products at the same time, great services. Same goes with, of course, LiveGood. Kaso nga lang, ito yung lamang po natin. Sa kanila, walang income. Sa atin, merong income. 'Di ba? And syempre dito, in Live Good, you can be a consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, or even shareholder. Yes. So, paano yan? How is it possible? Pwede ka maging shareholder, di mo na kailangang maging may-ari, maging owner pa para maging co-owner ka or shareholder. Mamaya, i-share din po natin. Kaya tune in ka lang. Okay, so tatanungin ko muna kayo. The question, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Sino dito gusto kumita ng dollars? Ayan, patype ako ng dollars. Ayan, sa manonood sa atin sa live or if you are here in Zoom, okay, ayan, type ako ng dollars if you want to earn dollars. Ang hindi po magta-type, hindi po kikita ng dollars. Ayan, so kailang patakutin, no? So kidding aside, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, ngayon, how can we become part of this amazing company? Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-enroll. Okay? Parang nag-enroll ka lang po sa Costco, ayan, or nag-enroll ka sa gym, di ba? Nagbabayad ka. Same goes here. Okay, mag-enroll lang po tayo. And tawag po sa atin, affiliate member. So, magkano ba? Okay, we have two options dito like any other subscription type of businesses. Option number one, we have monthly. We're in around 3,000. So, ngayon, medyo tumaas na kasi, di ba, yung palitan. So, approximately 3,000. Okay, ganun na lang. Ayan, more or less 3,000. Okay, 3,000 pesos. Alright, and in our succeeding months, 995 or 600 pesos. Yun lang. Yun lang yung overhead expenses mo, yung OPEX mo, 600 pesos lang. Okay, one-time fee, $40, monthly membership fee na 995 sa first month. In the following month, 600 na lang. Pero, sino dito gusto ng libre? O, pa-type ako ng free. Ayan. O, type free. Okay, kung gusto niyang libre, I highly suggest you go for our second option, which is, yan, ito po, yearly. Yan, ang yearly is, same pa rin po na one-time affiliate fee, $40, but ang yearly membership fee natin, 99.95. Ayan. So, magkano yan? Around 139.95. So, in pesos, that's 8,400. Siguro ngayon, around 8,600 na eh. Kasi, yun nga, tumaas na yung palitan, no? Ayan. Pero mura pa rin yan, no? Saan nga makahanap, 3,000 or 8,400 mo, meron kang global business, US-based company, US dollar commission, 200 plus countries, territories, highest quality, wholesale price products. 'Di ba? Wala kang makahanap na gano'n. And it will take you millions of or even billions of dollars, no, para makapag-operate ng gano'ng klaseng business model. Pero dito, hindi na po. Okay? Kineate na po ng ating owners ni Ben and other company owners natin. Gawin na lang natin mag-enroll. Gano'n na lang po. And maganda, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, meron tayong libre. Okay? Meron tayong libre na $20. Instead na kasi na 12 months yung babayaran mo, 10 months lang. 'Di ba? 10 months lang kasi yung 2 months binigay na po sa'yo ng company ng free. Yes. So, 10 months lang binayaran mo. So, naka-save ka ng $20. Okay? So, ngayon, ano man yung benefits, no? And take note, again, ang business model natin let me clear this one, na it's like Costco, Landers, SNR, no? Na, syempre, babayad ka, and wala pang physical products yun. Kumbaga, enrollment pa lang. Tapos, syempre, pag nakabayad ka na, member ka na, di ba? Doon ka na makakapasok. Yan, makakabili ka na, may mga discount. Even sa gym, di ba? O makakapag-gamit ka na ng mga equipment nila. Dito, ganun din. Okay? So, purely membership lang po yun. So, separate po yung ating physical product. So, kahit ganun pa man, syempre, may benefits ka pa rin nakukuha. Which is talagang value for money. Unang-una dito, access to membership club. So lahat ng ating products or soon, if magkaroon na tayo ng services, ma-access po siya ng highest quality at lowest price possible. And not just that, we also have digital marketing products. So lahat po ng ating system dito, mga tools na pinoprovide ng company, ma-access po natin ng libre. Yes. And not just that, hindi lang po isa, dalawa, tatlo, kundi 9. Yes, you heard that right. 9 replicated websites. No? Ibig sabihin, the company had already created these websites and pag naging affiliate member ka, you can access all of that na may pangalan mo sa taas as if website mo talaga. No? And take note that it's a professionally made. No? Ang ganda. Especially our new landing page. Naku, grabe. Okay? And of course, we have free online training via Zoom. Okay? Every now and then, nagta-training po tayo. And of course, lifetime support. Ayan. And save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies. And 9 ways to earn. So, ito po yung mga sample ng ating mga replicated websites. We have company site, dalawang landing pages, English and Spanish, retail site, long product sites, yes, and madadagdagan pa yan, free detox, live good clinic, and health assessment websites. No? And may kanya-kanyang purpose po ang lahat na yan. O, di ba? Imagine mo, value for money yan kasi pag magpapagawa ka po ng website, ang mahal. No? It will take yung, tagtanong ako ng isang IT, magkano pagpagawa ng website, umabot na ng 30,000. Siguro mababa na po yung 20 or even 10, no? Ito dito, 9 replicated website. So, value for money po talaga. Okay? And of course, ang ating compensation plan, explain din natin ngayon paano ba tayo kikita, no? Paano ba tayo kikita, ma-enjoy lahat ng benefits, especially the earning side. Ayan. So, before tayo mag-proceed, meron tayo ditong dalawang structure. Ayan, share ko lang sa inyo. So, ang unang structure natin dito is the unilevel, which is infinite wide po iyon. Okay? Ibig sabihin, unlimited. Pwede nating enroll and up to 10 levels deep lang siya. And of course, our matrix, 2x15, we're in up to 15 levels po ang ating matrix. Okay? And of course, we have 9 ways to earn. Ayan. So, hindi ko po i-discuss lahat dito kasi medyo hahaba po tayo pero discuss ko lang po sa inyo yung mga pinaka-importante. Okay po? Ayan. So, una dito ang ating retail commissions, which is meron tayong dalawang options para mag-earn. Siyempre, may products tayo. So, potential din na pwede tayo kumita on the product. So, we have shop link and physical product. So, for example po, no, ayan, is ang nakabenta tayo. Sabihin natin mayroon tayong stock. And nabenta po natin yung ano po natin, super greens or reds. Meron po tayong earnings na $6. Kasi yun po yung difference. Pero pag through the website po tayo, okay, through the website, okay, ayan. So, what will happen? 50% po yun. Okay, ang $3 sa company, $3 po sa atin. Ayan. Okay? So, ganun po siya. And pag nakapag-benta rin yung ating team, meron din po tayong percentage earnings din. 'Di ba? Yun po yung retail commissions. And ito naman, international pack, we can also earn $15. Okay? Yan, kasi 15 sa company, 15 sa atin. Yan. So, ganun po siya. Yan. Siyempre, para kumita din po yung company. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, siyempre, yun po yung sa product side. How about, of course, if mag-enroll tayo? So, dito, pagka affiliate ka, nag-buy ka ng at least 3K or 8,000 mahigit, 8,400. So, pag nakapag-enroll ka, if you've enrolled at least one member, which is gusto lang ng products, which is okay din yun, nagbayad lang ng 600, magkano sa'yo? $5. Ayan. If naka-enroll ka this week ng 10, in the following week, meron kang $50 or 3,000. Ayan. Okay na? Oh, okay, okay, di ba? O, ito naman, affiliate to affiliate. Okay? So, ngayon, dito is nagbayad din. Ang scenario natin is nagbayad yung mga enrollees natin ng $50 din or 8,400. Magkano kita natin? $25 na. 1.5. So, ibig sabihin, pag naka-enroll ka ng 5 this week, the following week, makaka-receive ka ng commission ng $125. Ito matindi kasi you can enroll as many as you can and earn unlimited $25. Ayan. Okay? And alam nyo po ba, yan, facts. Okay, this part alone can easily beat other Complan designs. Yes. No? Ayan po. Okay? Power of 5 lang po ito, no? Sabihin natin every month or kahit every year, no? Pwedeng pwedeng umabot po na up to 10 months or 10 years, you can earn up to 6 million if susundin po natin yung power of 5. Hindi pesos guys, US dollar. That's 369 million pesos. Ganun po ka-generous itong Complan natin. And the company pays out up to 80% of the fast start bonus. Grabe, 'di ba? Ayan. So, ito naman po yung ating mga ano po no, top enroller. Ayan, top enroller po ng entire company. So, makikita nyo po, iba-iba po yung flag, di ba? Siyempre, kasi global business tayo. Tingnan mo naman yung top 10. Yan, minimum kinita 1M, 1.3 million, 1.4, 1.7, 2M, 2.4, ayan, 3.8 million. Grabe, di ba? Imagine mo yung 3,000 more or 8.4 can earn multiple 6 or even 7 figures. 'Di ba? Magkano na binabayaran mo? Sabihin natin every month, 600 plus lang mahigit. Grabe, 'di ba? Kaya ganun, ganun kaganda 'tong negosyo. Kasi pag tinabaho mo, bayad ka. Sobra-sobra pa. 'Di ba? Oh, so ito po yung ating rank up. So hindi ko po i-discuss ng further about this one. Pero bigyan ko po kayo ng idea because we have separate training on this one. Sa ating bronze po, at least dalawang member. Okay? Dalawang member lang. Okay? Bronze ka na. ROI ka na, bronze ka pa. Saka makita ng company na ang bilis ng ROI. Sa iba, kailangan mo ng 5, 10. Dito, dalawa lang. 'Di ba? Oh, silver natin at least 20 total team. Ayan, minimum So, may ibang requirements din tayo pero total team at least 20. Gold 100 total team, platinum 500 total team, diamond rank is 2,500 and crown diamond rank naman is 50,000 na total team. As of now, nasa dalawa pa lang po yung crown diamond natin. And pag nagkaroon po tayo ng 10 crown diamond as per our CEO so nagkaroon po ng Q&A, we will have another rank. Pag magkaroon ng 10 Crown Diamond. Okay? Anong rank na yun? Royal Crown Diamond. Yes. Okay. So, very soon, no? Siguro if we have 5 million or even 10 million na members and affiliates worldwide, it will really, really happen. Okay? And, yan po, no? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so ngayon dito naman tayo sa ating matrix bonus. Yan, sa ating matrix bonus naman, very simple lang po dito. We have to only create subscribers. Yan, or members na nagbabayad sila every month. Yun po, no? Every time may nagbabayad po under our team ng 600, 'di ba? Under sila ng ating matrix, we earn 0.25 cents or 15 pesos. Simple yung goal natin, find two, help two, find two. So, ikaw to, yung second level mo, 2. Third level, 4, 8, ayan, 16, and so on. Okay? So, ngayon, ang ating matrix po, as in, 2 lang. And again, take note, ang system po yung naglalagay dito. Kaya, hindi po tayo kagaya sa binary, no, na ilagay ko dito si ano, sa left, or sa right naman si ano. Hindi. System yung magde-decide. Kaya less na isipin mo, kaya ang goal mo lang talaga dito to help your team and of course to educate, di ba? Educate our team as well, no? Kasi yung system, siya na po yung bahala mag-place ng mga tao sa baba po natin. Yes, no? Basta't nagko-subscribe yan, you can earn 15 pesos. In fact, sa 8th level, you can earn $64. Na pag napuno yan, 8,192 people, you can earn 2,047.50. That's 100,000 guys, every single month. That is month after month after month after month. Every single month sa 12 levels pa lang. 'Di ba? O pwede na rin. Tama? Oh, pero hindi pa diyan yung totoong income. Ito talaga ang mas malupit, matinding income, the matching bonus. You can earn 50% from your direct matrix pay. And alam niyo po ba, when I saw this one, when I heard this one as well, talagang pinapanood ko po yung presentation, no? Kasi baka meron dito mga floating networker, ayan, or watching or tune in, no? Nag-observe kayo. Alam mo, meron din si Libgood na isa po ito sa talagang nagpakuha ng attention ko. Of course, the company owners, check na check, the products, super check, syempre kailangan maganda yung products. So, dito po as in, grabe kasi sa iba, mo, alam nyo sa iba, magkano lang po yung kanilang tinatawag na match pay. Yung kasi na match pay Alam nyo magkano? Mataas na yung 20%. Okay? Iba merong 15, 10, pero ito, iba yung usapan pag sinabing 50%. Kalahati. Kung magkano kinita no? In short, kung magkano kinikita po ng ating mga enrollees, meron po tayong kalahati sa kinikita nila, 50% sa matrix pay. Oh, matindi. Mas nagpatindi pa 'to, guys. Okay? Generational. 'Pag may nag-rank up sa team mo, okay? 'Pag may nag-rank up sa team mo, kumikita ka pa ng extra, no? 'Pag may nagsi-silver, gold, platinum, or even diamond, meron ka pang ano, extra income na generational. Oh. So, sample natin dito, no? For example, ayan, ikaw yan, natulungan mo si Mateo, yung kumita siya ng 10,000, no? O magkano sa'yo? Siyempre, no? Matching 50%, automatic 5,000. O, Marie, naka-create ng maraming subscribers, nagbabayad 600, team niya. O, kumita siya 5K, sa'yo 2,500, Lucy 15K, sa'yo 7,500, Arthur 1K, sa'yo 500, Robert 20K, sa'yo 10,000. So dito, the more directs you have, the more you earn 50% sa matching mo. Okay? So you earn dito pa lang no 25,000 plus. So infinite wide din 'yan. Pero ito, bigyan ko kayo ng sample, no. Ayan. Ewan ko kanino to. Okay? Ayan. So alam niyo po ba that time, okay? Ayan, ito po. Ayan, nakita niyo si Ryan, 'di ba? Ayan, kumita po siya ng 55,000 pesos. Totoo ba ang matching bonus kalahati? Yes. Magkano po ang kinita ng taong 'to? O 27K lang naman. And isang enrollee niya si Abel, 37K kinita. O, magkano sa kanya? 18. Si Dave, kumita 18K sa kanya 9K. Ito matindi, hindi niya enrollee, guys. Hindi niya enrolled. Enrolled to ng enrollee niya. Okay? Ibig sabihin second level. Oh. So nag-rank up din yung kanyang team. Alam niyo magkano kinita niya? O, kumita siya ng yung David kumita ng 42K. Tapos itong taong to kumita ng extra 4,000, another 2,000, another 2,000. And ang dami pa niyan, no? Ayan. Ang dami pa niyan. Merong 30, 15, 20. Ayan, merong 10, 5, 0.5, 0.25. Ang dami, guys. Ang dami talaga. Ganun po yung power ng matching na generational. Grabe, no? Ayan. And dito naman, no, pagka nakapag-start ka, we encourage, no? We encourage na at least two of your family member na tatrabaho din, na much better na tatrabaho din, na ma-enroll nyo. Na kasi darating yung time. Pag napuno yung matrix nyo talaga na pagtulungan, okay, may, income matrix mo, matrix ng family mo, matching mo sa kanilang dalawa, you can earn 500,000 every single month. That is month after month after month after month. Kahit 10% na lang mangyari dyan, 57,000 every month. Naku, ang laking tulong yan. Lalo sa panahon natin ngayon, ang mamahal na lang mambilihin. Tama? O, ito pa. O, 20 direct. 20 direct. O, 2,000. For example, na-enroll natin 20. Tapos, na ano natin sila, natulungan din. Napuno yung matrix. So, darating yung time you can earn up to 7 figures. That is month after month, every single month. Gano'ng kalupit. Okay? So, ito po sample earnings, okay, ng ating isa sa mga Live Good affiliates natin. Yung nag-gold siya, ayan, kumita siya ng 17K. Ayan, okay na rin, di ba? Extra income. Nag-platinum siya, ay grabe naman, 200 plus thousand. Oh, pwedeng pwede. Di ba? Ayan. So, ito pa yung matindi, Diamond Bonus Pool. Ayan, 2% lahat ng sales, no, i-divide sa lahat ng diamonds. Ayan. So, total monthly sales po natin, 50M. For example lang okay, ng company. Sales yan ng products or ng membership. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, papamigay ng company 1M. So, yung 1M i-divide ng, sabihin natin, meron palang 200 diamonds. So, lahat ng diamonds maghahati-hati ng 5,000. O, ito po. Yan, sample natin. Ayan. Okay, si Coach Ryan. Ano niyo po ba? That time, bago siya nag-diamond. Bagong-bago lang diamond. Ano niyo po ba? In 3 months time, magkano kinita niya? Almost 7 figures. Kung isasama natin yung fast start, 7 figures po. In 3 months time. So, yan po yung future. Yan po yung nag-aantay. Grabe, di ba? Ayan. Oh. Pero di pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron pa tayong crown diamond. 0.5% ng total sales, i-divide lahat ng crown diamond. Same pa rin scenario. No, 50M times 0.5% to 50,000. Divide, sabi natin, tatlong crown diamond pa lang, 83,000. Ayan. So, for example po, ito, very inspiring. Our first crown diamond from the US, si Tim Miller. Alam niyo po ba, naka-wheelchair lang po yan. Yes, naka-wheelchair lang. Grabe. Grabeng taong 'to, talagang cellphone lang literally hangawak niya, naka-wheelchair, internet, nag-crown diamond po, 'no? In fact, in 7 months time kumita po siya ng 7 figures. Residual po talaga up until now kumikita pa rin kasi global po yung team niya. In fact, under po nga tayo sa kanya, eh. 'Di ba? Oh, okay, and of course 'no, 'yan, of course ito po, okay, sa isang buwan, last ano na 'to, almost 3 years na, 'di ba? Almost 3 years na. Sa isang buwan magkano po kinita niya? 80,000, 4.4M. 4.4M. Grabe, gano'n katindi. Eh, ngayon 2026 na, magkano ang kinikita niya ngayon? Malamang siguro times 2 or even times 3 na po 'yan. Grabe 'no? So, hindi na tayo masyadong maingay. Siyempre of course dito tayo sa nagse-share sa Zoom po natin, pero iba po talaga, and darating yung time 'no, mga mag times 10 pa talaga 'yan kasi dadami po talaga, members and affiliates worldwide. Alright? So yan po 'no, ang ating, 'yan mga kumita na. Of course yung iba diyan hindi na po updated, okay, and kasama na rin po tayo, 'yan na kumita kahit papaano. Okay, and marami pa po 'no, and, dami ng kumita, and talagang nagpatunay na sobrang ganda po talaga the opportunity 'no. Ayan, and of course as of now nasa 2.2M na po tayo guys, members and affiliates worldwide. Okay, and, again, as I've said, we haven't scratched the surface yet. We are just getting started. No, in fact, yung first 5 million, tip of the iceberg pa lang po yan, because the vision of the company, 20, 30, or even 50 million members and affiliates worldwide will be joining 10 to 20 years from now. Ang projection natin, hopefully before this year ends, no, magkaroon tayo ng at least 3 million subscribers bago matapos ang taon. Okay? So ang tanong, ang tanong ngayon, okay? Ayan, sasabay ka ba or sasabay? Walang choice, no? Okay, but kidding aside, no? So, syempre, we're not here to convince you, okay? Hindi naman to para convince, para pa-educate lang na sobrang kakaiba 'to 'no. You can search other companies, marami din magaganda doon, pero iba po talaga yung ease 'no, yung gaan, yung simplicity 'no, and 'pag inanalyze mo talaga it makes sense 'no. And if you are a networker 'no, kung nag-network ka na 'no, and sawa ka na sa alam mo yun, front loading, 'di ba, mataas na auto ship, okay? 'Di ba, kailangan mo bumili kahit 'di mo kailangan kasi para sa commission. 'Di ba? Yung palaging offline na mga event, 'di ba? Is okay naman 'yun, pero mostly kasi doon napupunta yung pera, 'di ba? Kaya walang naiipon po talaga, 'di ba? So then it's your time naman. It's your time. Kailangan mo lang ng tamang community, tamang company, no? Na of course pang long term. Okay? And of course, sa mga bago lang din dito, if you're someone, no, na nagpe-pray sa opportunity, baka ito na. Kasi guys, para po itong train. You know, train, di ba? Pag dumaan, no, bubukas yung pinto, sumakay ka o hindi, sasarado yan, aandar ulit. But this isn't just an ordinary train. No? Para po tayong, ano po, no, Shanghai Maglev. Currently the fastest train, no, commercial train, no, sa panahon natin ngayon. Okay? Na alam mo yung pagpikit mo, I mean 'pag nakadilat ka, pagpikit mo, 2.2, 3M na, pagdilat mo, 4M na, 5M, 10M na. Ang dami na nagjo-join. Because of course the company makes sense, and we declare, no, we believe, no, na we are the Amazon. We'll be the Amazon of the direct sale network marketing industry. We'll have millions, tens, or even hundreds of millions of members worldwide in the coming years. No? Kaya maganda sabayan mo hanggang maaga pa na nasa pioneering pa lang po tayo, because we will really help a lot of people get healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earn extra income. No? Hindi lang extra income, talagang pag kinareer mo, life-changing income ang pwede ibigay sa'yo. Like, a lot of us, no, na ginawa talaga to ng seryoso. So with that, welcome in advance and congratulations for deciding. Kaya, no, share ko lang to, no, yung other reasons why you should join. Number one, we just officially launched globally. So nasa, alam po, ano pala po tayo, no, nasa pioneer. Yes, pioneering, yung 3 years, baby pa po yan. Yes, no? And of course, highest quality, very affordable health products. So nasa ngayon, nasa 50 plus na po yung products po natin. And of course, marketing system, tools and training. So, nandyan po yung background. Yan po yung updated natin, no? Na latest na landing page na grabe, sobrang ganda guys. As in, no? And of course, simple, powerful, and lucrative. When I say lucrative, very generous. Very generous na pay plan. Okay? And shinare ko naman po sa inyo kanina gaano ka-generous. Matindi. And of course, successful, fun, and winning team. Ang tanong, okay, are you A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member, or retail customer? So if I were you, become letter A. So I'll leave you with this one verse, no? Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, no? Sabi ni Lord. Okay, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. Guys, if you truly believe in your mind, body, and soul, na may magandang plano si Lord sa buhay mo, guys, no? Ito na po. Okay? Baka ito na ang opportunity na para sa'yo. Ang kailangan mo lang, okay, is to take action. Remember that faith without work is dead. Faith without work is dead. Kung naniniwala ka, and if you don't take action, na parang nag-aantay ka lang, no, okay, useless po yan. Okay, so with that, welcome in advance. So get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C.